Okay, these are all my cars. Today we're going to play with them. Let's first see my special cars. No need for these ones. Wow, this orange car. I like this. Ah, this red car, not so much. Well, it's crystally. Wow, this shark car likes to eat through that. And this is my favorite car. This can go so far. You have so much fun. This car is pretty good. It looks so good because there's gold here. This car is nice because it's angry. Okay, now this car is purple and it's one of my favorites. This car goes so well, I love it so much. This car is beautiful. It's purple. Wow, purple car. And it's beautiful because it has white. I love it so much. Okay, let's start with the regular car. Okay, I'll start with this car.
Ooh.
Orange with orange. Wow, this is such a big car. Okay, now let's do this crystal car. It's red and crystal.
Ooh.
Oh my, this is the best car I think. Oh, the shark car can eat through your computer. Oh, that was pretty. Ooh, my favorite car. Look at that. 3, 2, 1, I hope it goes pretty nice. Okay. Okay, let's do the next. This beautiful gold car. Let's go. Okay. And now we're going to do this. This is such a blue car. Looks pretty good. That's okay actually. This is the part of a vacuum. I just put it. Wow. Oh, I feel like I did this part. This is the brokenest car in the world. And oh, this is a good car. Wow, it went pretty well. So let's see what car we actually want to put the mountain going on. It goes pretty well. Yes, it goes well. What car would you choose next?
White one.
I would choose the white one. This one. Whoa! That's a best car! This is the... Okay. Okay, this is the best car, guys! This is the best car! Okay, we already found our best car, guys.
Wow.
Second best car. This is first place, second place. Okay, let's put this white car. Tell me if this is your favorite.
Ooh.
Wow, that's like, okay, this is the third best car. Which one's the least best? Whatever, so sensitive. Wow, this black car is shiny. I really hope it's good too. Oh wow, that looks so good. gonna run out of gas. What did you do to your car? This is a pretty one. And the final car. I don't think this car is good at all. Oh, it's not good at all. I knew it. Well, you saw how fast that first go. It might have crashed the car, maybe. This is the best car. I love it. Oh, I love the car. Wow! Just crashed through all the cars in the second place. This is the fastest car in the world. Okay, third one. Wow, that Bugatti crashed into your screen. Wow, this was the last car. I told you having a broken car is not a good thing. I can't believe this car is the second. I'm really sorry, I didn't like that. Okay, bye kids.